everyone. A hero is someone who is very brave. He helps others often in dangerous situations. We look up to our heroes because they teach us to be better people. Let's see and know more about our superhero, that is Robin Hood. Robin of Locksley was a strong and brave young boy. Everyone liked Robin because he was friendly and polite. Once he went to meet his uncle and cousins at Nottingham. There he went to a fair with his cousins. Let's see what happens in the fair. There were tightrope walkers, magicians, men on stilts, and food stalls at the fair. Robin and his cousins enjoyed the sights, sounds and smells. Just as they bought some food to eat, they heard some boys shout at them.
Hey, see there! They have never seen such food. Oh, not eaten at home. Who is this pretty girl?
But Robin did not pay any attention to all this till he heard them asking about one of his girl cousins. Robin had been taught to treat ladies with respect. Anybody who did not was punished. Robin and the boys began to argue. The row soon turned into a physical fight. Many stalls were thrown upside down and food were spilled everywhere. Here, mainly three things you have to know. One is tightrope walkers. It means people want to walk on the rope with full balance. Next one, men on stilts. They walk on the sticks. They tie the stick in the leg and walk on that. Row. Row means a great noisy, angry argument between two groups. In the physical fight, most of Robin's cousins were bleeding because the boys were armed with sticks. Suddenly, everyone began to run away, and Robin was left standing alone. Confused, he saw some men on horses arrive. I am the sheriff, one of them said. You are not from Nottingham, are you? Village folk cannot beat up the innocent townspeople here. Arrest him, he ordered his men. Poor Robin did not have a chance to say anything. He was imprisoned in a dark and dirty room full of rats. He looked around and saw a hole in the ceiling. Oh, ha ha ha! It shouldn't be too difficult to climb out, thought Robin. At night, he climbed up onto the roof, jumped down to the ground, and ran to his uncle's house. I want him dead or alive, yelled the sheriff. When he heard about Robin's escape, he declared Robin to be a criminal. Robin did not want to cause trouble for his uncle. He knew he would have to hide. He left Nottingham and moved quietly and quickly through the countryside. Finally, he decided to stay in Sherwood Forest. At last, here, Robin says, At last I am going to live like I have always wanted to, out in the open and under the stars. I will hunt deer and rabbits. Nobody will be able to find me. Once the sheriff forgets about me, I will go back to my home. At first, Robin missed his family and friends. But in a few weeks, he began to enjoy living alone. One day, he was alerted by a sound of somebody running. He saw a young man hiding in the bushes. He crept up behind the man. "Who are you?" Robin asked. "My goodness," said the young man, whirling around fearfully. Here, whirling means turning very quickly. With a fearful, the man turned with a full of fear. "The sheriff arrested me for something I didn't do and imprisoned me. I ran away and went in to hide until the soldiers leave," he said to Robin. Robin smiled and promised to help him. The young man joined Robin in the forest. Very soon, other young men came too. All of them were considered outlaws. Here, the word outlaws means people who have done something bad or hiding to avoid punishment. For some petty reasons or the other, some had shot at the king's deer. Some had annoyed a rich or powerful landlord over simple matters. All these young men came to Sherwood to escape injustice. Injustice means cruel or unfair treatment. They gathered around Robin and chose him as their leader. Robin's men began to call Robin Hood because he always wore a wood. What is wood? A wood is a cloth that covers the head and neck, and it's sometimes attached to the collar of the shirt or coat. They promised to return everything that had been wrongfully taken from people. They would help the poor by taking money from the rich. Here, our hero becomes a superhero. Yes, very soon, tales of their bravery and acts of kindness spread to places far away from Sherwood. Robin Hood and his fearless band of merry men became famous as champions of those in trouble and in need. So, here we call Robin Hood is a superhero because he who publicly support and fight for good reason and help the people, those who do not have enough food or money to live. Thank you, dears. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will help you to understand about Robin Hood.